So today the Political Assembly approved in unanimity the resolution concerning the situation in Slovenia. I would say that is a very good decision, and at the same time is a very strong message sent to the socialists concerning their approach inside Europe. Being socialist means to support and to sustain all the European policies. Being European means to be European in Slovenia as well as in Brussels. They cannot stick to the rules and to the principles of democracy only in Brussels and then go home and forget about them. And what happened to our colleague, to Mr. Janez Janša, is the proof that the socialists are not following the democracy rules. And this is the signal that we are sending to them, asking them to respect the democracy, to respect the rules, to don't use the judiciary system as a tool, a political tool. Living in democracy means to respect the basic rules of democracy. I hope that this resolution will be heard by the socialists and the trial and the pressure is put against the opponents, the representatives of Europe in your country will stop.